How to change your phone number. MetroPCS. Open your phone and dial 611 from your Metro by T-Mobile phone to reach customer service. Listen to the automated message and choose the option for account services. Follow the voice instructions to access your account. Enter your account PIN when the system asks for verification. Tell the representative that you want to change your phone number. The representative will check your account details. Ask for a new phone number for your current line. The system will generate a new number for your account. Confirm that you agree to change your current number. Wait a moment while the new number is applied to your phone. Your phone may briefly lose signal during the update. Restart your phone if the network does not reconnect automatically. Open your phone settings and check that the new number appears. Inform your contacts and update your new number on important accounts. Thank you for watching.